What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the Lamborghini Urus, going to be doing a quick little walk around and going for a drive. You're working with a twin turbo 4-liter V8 with an output of 641 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You've got a 6,800 RPM redline, all-wheel drive, 190 mile-an-hour top speed with a fuel economy ranging from 12 city, 17 highway, and 14 combined, sitting at a weight of just over 4,840 pounds. This particular example is configured with that 2x2 rear seating and the console in the middle. Now we'll go ahead and hop in for a quick little tour of the inside and then go for a drive. Left hand side here, just like any other car, you've got your door locks, window controls, mirror controls down below, your seating controls with their memory settings right there. Down by the pedals, you do have your hood release there, as well as some lighting controls up here. We'll go ahead, bring it to life. Fire up that V8. Now on your steering wheel, you have some menu control option selection buttons here, and on the right, your volume and voice controls, middle, horn obviously. Behind it, you have some stocks coming off. Obviously, we've got our turn signal and brights below your cruise control settings, and on the right-hand side, your wiper controls. We've got our touchscreen in the middle for different car controls, as well as your multimedia, music, and navigation settings. And down below, we have our air conditioning and climate control settings. Moving down a little further, we have our different drive modes. Strada, which is street, currently in. Drop it down to sport. One more time to Corsa, which is race mode. And then below that, we have a wet mode as well. To put the car in drive, all you do is upshift on the up paddle there. To put the car into reverse, you hold down that. And park, you're just going to hit that P button right there. You can also put the car into neutral by depressing both of the paddle shifters at the same time. And when the car is in gear, you can hit that M to engage the manual mode, so you're able to use those paddles freely to shift. Something neat this car is also configured with aftermarket you don't see too often on Lamborghinis. You do have that Starlight headliner here, and you can change those colors as you please as well. All right, now that we've taken a look at a few things inside and out of the car, let's go ahead and go for a quick drive. Put the car into gear by just upshifting on the paddle there and pull off. Drop it down to sport now. You can hear those valves open up. And now we'll drop it down into Corsa as well. Hit that M to put the car into its manual mode to use the paddle shifters. Really tightens up the suspension and opens those valves. Sound incredible. And again, putting that car into neutral mode by hitting both of the paddles at the same time. Only thing to note is when you go to put the car back in gear, you do have to hit that M again if you want the car to be set to the manual mode.